Doctor, a person who helps people when they are sick or injured. Patient, a person who receives medical care or treatment from a doctor. Stethoscope, a tool that a doctor uses to listen to the sounds inside the body like the heart and lungs. Prescription, a piece of paper from the doctor that tells the patient which medicine to take and how to take it. Nurse, a person who helps the doctor and takes care of patients in a medical setting. Hospital, a place where doctors and nurses take care of people who are sick or injured. Surgery, a medical procedure where a doctor operates on a person's body to treat a problem or illness. Diagnosis, the process of identifying a disease, illness, or medical condition based on symptoms and test results. Medication, a type of medicine that helps to treat or cure an illness or medical condition. Treatment, the actions taken by a doctor to help a patient get better or manage their health condition. Examination, when a doctor looks at, touches, or listens to a patient's body to check for signs of illness or injury. Symptom, a sign of illness or abnormality that is felt or noticed by a patient, like a headache or cough. Anesthesia, a medicine that allows a patient to be asleep and not feel any pain during surgery. Specialist, a doctor who has specific training and expertise in a particular area of medicine or health. Emergency, a sudden and serious medical situation that requires immediate attention and care from doctors and nurses. Can you spot the target words in these sentences? 1. The doctor checked my throat with a flashlight. 2. The patient waited nervously for the test results. 3. The stethoscope helped the doctor listen to my heart. 4. The doctor wrote a prescription for my allergy medication. 5. The nurse brought me water after my surgery. 6. I stayed overnight at the hospital for observation. 7. My cousin had a surgery to remove his appendix. 8. The doctor gave me a diagnosis of the flu. 9. I take my medication after breakfast every day. 10. The treatment for my injury involves physical therapy. 11. I had an examination to check my eyesight. 12. Coughing is a common symptom of a cold. 13. The anesthesia made me fall asleep quickly. 14. I will see a specialist for my skin condition. 15. We rushed to the emergency room for my brother's broken arm.